are the key to Trump's trade policy, and that is the subject of the riff. Now, the reciprocal tariff deadline came and went at midnight last night. And guess what? Results are in, and the world economy and its trading system has not collapsed. Once again, the experts wrong. There's no tariff inflation, no tariff recession, no tariff catastrophe. And instead of tariff retaliation wars, President Trump has generated a number of strategic deals with our key trading partners: EU, UK, Japan, South Korea, Vietnam. Important talks extended for Canada, Mexico, China. Even with Canada, where a nominal rate of 35% has been put in place, the fact is, over 90% of Canadian-U.S. trade is USMCA compliant, which means 35% is really a token number. 90 to 95% will not be affected. Washington policy expert Dan Clifton is going to be here in a little while, calculates the overall effective tariff rate for the U.S. will be roughly 13 to 14%. Therefore, that has nothing to do with the Smoot-Hawley tariff, which was 60% way back in 1930. And one big, beautiful bill with its tax cuts and deregulation and energy production overwhelms the modest increase in the American tariff. But here's the key point I want to make. Factories. President Trump, more than anything else, I believe, wants a wave of new factories in the United States, especially in strategic sectors like semiconductors or pharmaceuticals or steel or energy and defense. Add to that. Mr. Trump is guarding these strategic sectors of the American economy. That, according to an excellent article by Steve Cortes published by Tip Insights, and Mr. Cortes got it exactly right. And if you look under the hood of the one big, beautiful bill, you will find major league tax incentives that will attract foreign investment and stimulate even more domestic investment, with full cost expensing for business equipment, for research and development, and here's the key, full cost expensing for factories. Mr. Trump is saying to foreign and domestic investors, I want you to build factories that will make America the world leader in these key areas, and I'm giving you enormous tax incentives to do it. So chip makers can be tariff-free if they build in America. Drug companies, too. Steel, aluminum, advanced defense technologies. He's telling all those business folks, like Tim Cook and Jensen Huang, you can buy down your tariffs with direct investment in factories located right here in America. The more I think about Mr. Trump's trade policy, the more I think it's about factories. New factories create jobs. They create higher take-home pay. New technologies come from new factories, more innovation. And as the eminent economist Joseph Schumpeter put it 75 years ago, it's all about gales of creative destruction. The new replace the old. No question, Mr. Trump wants to level the playing field with countries that have been taking advantage of us for decades. He absolutely wants to open new markets for American business. Sometimes he uses tariffs for national security. But at the end of the day, I believe, more than anything else, President Trump wants to build new factories in America. And that is the riff.